Now this tank has just been set up today. Now in general, we normally want to set the aquarium up, get it all running, stabilize it, and after several days we then like to test the water. Then everything is okay, we then like to add the fish. Now in this case we have taken a little bit of a gamble and we have put the fish in straight away. Now it's really important that these fish are not fed for several days, and then when they are fed, it's really important that they're only fed a very small amount of food, because the biological capacity of this tank is going to be very low. Now there is some things we've done to speed up this process. Now we have added some cured bio balls, the marine pure balls, and I've taken them from Majestic Aquariums and put them into the system to try to make sure that we've got lots of good bacteria to break down the waste from these fish. But we want to keep the feeding very light. We've also put a nice big canister filter on the aquarium. So with time, lots of good bacteria will grow in the canister. There's also some activated carbon in the canister. So there's no reason why this aquarium shouldn't run well. But the worst thing you can do is feed too much at this time. The temperature is right. We've used established water. We've used established bacteria. We've only added a small amount of small fish. Then in the next couple of weeks, we can test the water and then slowly add some more fish. There's lots of other super cool species, including things like red-tailed black sharks, that could be added to this tank. And then over time, as these fish establish and as these fish start to get their color, and as we can slowly add more fish to the tank, then this will be a very bright, vibrant tank. Now with barbs, which are these species, you end up wanting them to be very well populated, because if there's not many of them, you will find they're a bit nippy. So in order to suppress the aggression in reference to being nippy, the plan is to get plenty of them. And the key to getting plenty of them is have plenty of aeration and plenty of filtration. So providing that we stock this up nice and slowly, we should slowly be able to evolve this into an absolutely beautiful little freshwater tropical tank. And it's got a saltwater theme because this was a quarantine tank for a saltwater tank, and these were readily available. So now we just need to keep an eye on this tank, keep the feeding down, and let these guys settle in.
They're showing that slab. I'll read that thing. They're showing that. What page is that? It's 106. Go pull it up.
Very iconic little fish, the tiger barb. We don't want any delicate fish in here. We don't want any long, flowy, finned fish in here. We just want hardy, tough, boisterous, fast fish. And the key to barbs is have plenty of barbs